I'm here at Knox Nursery in Florida with Junior Mlendo, and Junior is from the Future Farmers in South Africa. Junior, how is it here for you? You're at Knox now since when, March?
Yes, from 28th of March.
28th of March.
Yes,
and are you learning a lot of things here? Is it a good learning experience for you?
A lot. It's amazing. Like I can say I'm very, very privileged like before, because I came here thinking I know horticulture as I know, but things when I came here went back to square one.
Because there is so much more to learn. Is that correct? I mean, I'm looking around. Look at the size of this place. It's like 360 degrees of plants. It's amazing. Look, what's this right here? What is this?
It's marigolds.
Marigolds.
Yes, marigolds.
Wow. And look at all the thousands of trays. My goodness, that's amazing.
Yeah, they came from germination room.
Right?
Yes, they came from germination room today, this morning. Then later on, we're gonna drench them with PGR.
Yeah, PGR.
Yes.
What does PGR mean?
Plant growth regulator.
Okay, so you're regulating the plant?
Regulating the plant.
Yes.
Stem elongation,
Stem elongation. Yeah. And did you know about this before you came to America?
Not at all.
No,
Not
really?
At all.
Wow.
Like I said, I'm very, very privileged for being here, because it exposes me in a lot, especially in the horticultural industry.
Right.
Yeah.
Will this be beneficial to you when you go back home?
Definitely. I would like to share the success, like the exposure I get from here with others that are still growing, and show up my capabilities in any organization.
So you're really learning a lot from your grower here. He's educating you about PGRs and everything. Really? That's good. That's good.
Like using the booms, using the dosatran, using the fertilizers, different rates from the pipes.
Yeah, I just saw you using the boom to put on some fertilizer right there. That's a big boom that goes all the way. It's amazing. It's a very good experience for you. They trust you to do this? They give you responsibility?
Yes. I do like mostly of the task.
Everything, right.
Without supervision.
Would you recommend this to students back in South Africa that apply to the Future Farmers? Would you recommend the program, the Ohio program?
Yes, definitely. It's a lot going on here about horticulture.
Right. Different reasons, like the technology.
Technology-wise.
Yeah. That's good. And tell me, have you had any chance to get out? Like we talked about going to NASCAR, going to Universal. You want to do stuff like that?
Yes. I would like to go there. Like, it's part of socializing. Like,
right.
It's not about the work.
Yeah.
All the time.
All the time.
Socialize and learn different things.
I met your.
Type of food.
Yeah, I met your grower Doug, and he has big plans for you guys to go to fun things. Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah.
And for me, it will be my first time being in a race car.
Yeah. That will be fun to see that. Yeah, and Universal Studios as well. So that's good. Fun. Yeah. Well, listen, we really appreciate you doing this. I can't help just looking 360 degrees here at all the plants. It's amazing, and we appreciate Miss Fiona. Is it Miss Fiona at Future Farmers? Miss Judy. Yeah, that's good. And here's Greg right here. Greg, do we need more guys like him from South Africa?
We sure do.
Yeah, I mean,
use anybody from South Africa. I've been having very good. This guy is a champ.
He's a champ. And he told me he's learning a lot about PGRs and about fertilizer rates, and he's using the boom. You give him a lot of training and a lot of responsibility. Is that correct?
Yes, and we turn him loose. He
Yeah?
doesn't take him. He's very smart.
Yep.
And we show him how to do it, and he takes it on.
That's awesome. We need more.
We did a really good job with this during the spring peak with the ferns. Yeah, and we had poinsettias in here already during the spring, in the summer. He helped with that.
Right.
He's helping us with. We're going to be at about 150 million units before he leaves.
150 million
units.
Wow,
So
that's a lot.
There's a lot of responsibility. So we got to make sure we have good guys that are wanting to come and learn and spend the time here.
But they enjoy it. He's enjoying. Look at the smile. I mean, he's enjoying it. You know, I mean, he's happy. I've never seen somebody with such a good smile.
He's always in a happy mood.
That's
what
good.
I like that.
Well, we really appreciate it, Greg, and we want to find more good young men and women from the Future Farmers in South Africa. Thank you so much,
thank you.
Junior. Appreciate it.